Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you what updates we have added to Uku this August. First, let's start with emails. We have now added the option to add signatures to emails. So you will be able to define your own personal signature, company-wide signature, or any other signature that you need. Here you will be able to say what kind of information flows into the signature, and you can add the name as a placeholder. You can also add the phone and the emails via placeholders if you want to. You can also add some additional information to the signature, and you can upload your own logo and decide where in the signature your logo should appear. You can also send out a test email to see how the signature looks. Once the signature is ready, you can move over to email templates. And here, from placeholders, you can add the signature that you prefer. And again, send out a test email, and you're done. Let's move over to tasks. And now, as you know, you have the same tasks over and over again every month. And now we have added the option that you can define the month's or the year's name that the task belongs to. So if you're having prepare monthly financial statements tasks every month, then now you will be able to add the placeholder for this month. And when Uku generates the tasks, it adds the name of the month when the task is generated to it. So you will have monthly financial statements for August, and if you don't complete that task in August, then the next month you're going to have two tasks on your dashboard. One will be prepare monthly financial statements August, and the other one will be prepare monthly financial statements for September. So you will be easily able to differentiate between them. Let's take a look at monitoring also. So in Uku, you're able to enter your client agreements saying how many hours per month you think you're going to work for them. Now you're also able to split those hours between different topics. So here on the topics, you can decide which of them should flow into monitoring. And then you can enter your client agreements per topic. And in the monitoring, you can now see the specific columns for the topics that you wanted to see. And in this case, there's still well enough room to offer those services to the client. We also added an option to type in dates when you're selecting the period that you want to take a look at, either in monitoring or also in reports. You can now type in specific dates and you don't have to use the custom filters only. At last, I want to show you flex time additions. So sometimes you don't only have employees who work a 40-hour work week for you or a full work week for you. So you can now define specifically for each day on what days do they work and how many hours on those specific days. So you have a bit of flexibility here now too. That's it. These were the updates from August. Have fun.